Did you know that sometimes saving a life means protecting a killer? Imagine this. Your child is dying. They need a bone marrow transplant right now or they won't make it. Your brother is the only match. He's their only hope. But then, you discover something terrible. During the medical tests, you find out his DNA matches evidence from an unsolved murder. Not just any murder. Your best friend's murder from 5 years ago. You've been obsessing over this cold case, going to memorial services, comforting your friend's family. And your brother? He was there for you the whole time, holding you while you cried, helping you through the grief that he caused. Now you have an impossible choice. Use his bone marrow to save your child's life knowing he's a killer, or let your child die so your brother faces justice for murdering your best friend. Your child's life depends on the blood of your friend's killer. What would you do? Save your child or get justice for your friend?